Hello everyone, my name is Ben Kane. This is my introduction video. Currently I work with young adults who've been diagnosed with learning differences such as autism and Asperger's, depressive disorder, stuff like that. And I help them to learn independent life skills like cooking, cleaning, maintaining a budget, all the things that you need to do to be able to live successfully independently, as well as help them to achieve their academic and professional goals. So that means helping them with homework, studying, and going to internships, teaching them work skills. Um, Basically everything they would need to do to be able to be independent in the future. Um, Thus far, with the other courses that I've taken, what I've really enjoyed learning the most is kind of like the role of a social worker and developing a better understanding of what that career path will truly be lead to me doing and stuff like that. And then I'm really looking forward to this class as well. I think economic and social justice are very big things that those are definitely what steered me towards wanting to get involved with social work, and seeking that type of justice for everyone and understanding the policies. Um, Certainly a very good step into understanding how to achieve the social and economic justice that I think most people want for this country. Thank you.